Welcome to a G4 Guitar presentation. What I'm going to do is talk about our student management application, and I'm going to focus just on the dashboard for this video. This is our new release look. This has just been released here in December 2016, ready for 2017. So let's do a quick run through. Those of you who are familiar with it probably will already be aware of most of these things here, but if you're new to it, I'll try and cover those things as well in this very quick video. So at the top here, you can see the green, the dash, contacts, timetable, etc. The dash is referring to this screen you're seeing here. So we're already on the dashboard. The contacts, that will take you to the contacts. So by clicking on contacts, then you can see the contact card, whichever one is open, that'll go straight to that. You can click here on the list, and that'll take you to a complete list of your contacts, which you can go through, you can search, you can do all sorts of things, but we're not going to go through these in this video. This video is primarily for understanding the dashboard and just giving you a quick overview of some of the features. So the next one here is timetable, and that will take you straight to the timetable there. Again, there's another video will be done for that to show you how the layout of the timetable works, but as you can see, it's very easy to see. Everything that you need is there. So as you can see, I'll click back, go straight back to the dashboard. Then I've got reports. In reports, at the moment, there's quite a few good reports in there, and we're going to build on this. This will eventually have more and more reports, but at the moment, these are the most important reports, so you probably won't need anything else to effectively run your business, but that's what there is there in the reports. In the print, this is what we call the print area, and basically what you've got here is all sorts of exciting things that you can use. Achievement certificate, award, badges. Then you've got what we call gift certificates, which are if someone buys a certificate over a holiday period or for a special event, then you can sell that there, you can print that there. Then you've got student, these are some of the incentives that we have, where we have like credits and leaderboards and practice log, etc. So there's also signs and marketing materials. So there's quite a bit there for you to do. All the essential things that you'll need are right there in the print section. And then the last one we have here is links. And the idea here is it's a way for you to organize your links. One of the things that you'll find with your typical browser is that they have a way of you storing your links, but it's all very hard to find. To sort your links is always difficult. So the idea here is to be able to put your links, sort them, put them. You can create a tag here, like a level, and then you can click on that tag depending on what it's for. Again, I won't go into this in detail here, but there's an idea of where you can put all your links to keep you organized. Now, over here, we've got a minus and a plus sign, and that allows you to zoom in on your dashboard or zoom out on your dashboard. This one is the settings, so that allows you to go and put in all your settings, your address, your suburb. So when you first get the program, when you first get the application, you want to fill all this in, so you've got all those details are going to then appear on different areas such as printouts, emails, etc. So really important there. And then the last one there is we've got a question mark, and that's really if you want to go and find out more about how this program works. Okay, so back to the dashboard here. Now we're going to move down to the next section here. Now in the very left corner here, you've got these two little arrows here. If you click on that, what that's going to do is shrink down the screen. So I'll just bring it back into here. So it goes really small there, and the idea there is that you can put it out of the way. So that way, if you're working on something else on your desktop, you can just click on it and it'll shrink down for you. Now, starting here, we've got on the very left, top left, we've got new contact. That's for creating a new contact, self-explanatory. Book a lesson, again, self-explanatory. This is your to-do list. So the number here, that actually pertains to the number of to-dos that are on your list. So at the moment, there's say 14 there. If I click on there, I can see all my to-dos. If you want to create a new to-do, as with most of the sheets on here, just click that plus sign at the top there, and that allows you to create the new to-do. I won't explain the to-dos right here now, but that's the to-do list there. So I'll go back to this screen here. Now the next column here, second column, is we've got inquiries, booked, intro, current. So these are the different stages. Think of it as the student management application is like a CRM, a timetable, accounts, profit and loss reporting, if you like, a way of printing certificates. It's all this bundled into one. So it's an extremely powerful program. It's bringing everything together you need as a teacher to be able to manage your business. So the idea here is the first stage is inquiries, and these are the stages that your students will go through. So first they begin as an inquiry, then they become booked, and then they go to what we call the introduction stage. So that's really the first block of lessons that they pay for, the first 5 weeks in our case, and then we go to current, and that means that they are now a subscriber and they're coming every month. Okay, so, and the number there pertains to the number you've got. So you can get a quick overview every time you log into your program. You can actually see how many students you have at each stage there. So if this is looking a bit slim, it means you need to work on it. You need to maybe do more marketing, follow up on leads, etc. So you can see what you need to do at that point. Okay, so the next column here is, and by the way, you can click on any of those and go straight to it. So if you want to see the inquiries, just click on inquiries, and there you go. You've got a full list of the inquiries. Okay, so the next column here, third column, we've got the average days enrolled. So these are just statistics, and that's what that little graph there means. It's telling us that the average student stays for 161 days, and that's really good information to know because it tells you what the average student is worth and how much you can spend and invest on marketing. It's a really, really important. It's one of the vital statistics that in business we should all know. What's the average value of a student? So 633 that's the average number of minutes they practice. Again, you can correlate this. You can start to see, well, what's my average? What are students practicing on average? And then you can see the students who are practicing below average versus the ones above average. So then you can try and work on those students who need more help. And then we've got the monthly profit, and that's good to know as well because you want to know how much money you're making. And then we have here a stats history, and by clicking on that plus button, you can create a new line anytime you like. So you could do it daily, you could do it weekly, monthly, and then you can graph it. And the idea is to try and I'd recommend to do it once a week. But again, I won't explain that just in detail here. But then you can have a look at a graph. You can see how it looks on different graphs, and you can see how you're traveling generally. Are you getting better? Are you making money? Are you losing money? Are you going backwards? You want to know all these things. Really important. Okay, so then the last column here is just really links to some important areas. We have a student blog, or there's a student website, a member website for teachers, and then our Facebook group. So that gives you quick links to all those so you can participate in our community. Then you've got a notepad here so you can type in any information you like. This is really just for on-the-fly notes. It's not where you want to keep things stored. Where you want to put your notes mainly is in your to-do, but sometimes you just want to somewhere quickly you can type something, and that's a great place to put it. Then down the bottom here we've got all different links here as well. I won't go through them all. Some of them are self-explanatory, but the idea is that you can have easy links. These are what I call easy links, so they just give you quick access to different areas that you might need. So that's an overview of the GForce Student Management application. Hopefully that's helped you, and it's continuing to improve. We've got lots of great innovations behind the scenes as you get more and more into this. If you've got any questions, as always, contact support. If you're interested in getting a copy of the GForce Student Management application, again, contact support, and we will contact you back ASAP. Thank you.